Hi everyone, I am Katie the Crafty Blog Stalker, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make pom-poms using the We Are Memory Keepers Pom Pom Maker tools. Now the package includes 3 different sizes. We've got large, medium, and small, and I've already made a large pom-pom. There is my small pom-pom, so I'm going to show you how to make the medium. So it is the same directions no matter what size you make. So here I've got my medium, I've got my yarn here. I've already started making lots of pom-poms. As you can see, it's kind of a flat skein there, but as a tip, make sure that you always grab the yarn from the middle of the skein, and then it will just pull out nicely. If you find the end along the outer edge and you try and unwrap it, it's just going to get all knotted up and it's not going to come out as nicely. So always find the piece from the middle. We're going to open up our little tool here just on one side, and we're going to start wrapping. Now you want to keep these 2 pieces here together, and we're just going to wrap those. And then just wrap the yarn all the way around it. Now there really is no right or wrong way to do this. You can add as much yarn or as little yarn as you want. Just know that the more yarn that you add, the fluffier your pom-pom is going to be. So I usually go back and forth about 3 or 4 times until that side is nice and full, how I want it to be. And then I'm going to shut it, and I've got this extra string right here, and I'm going to take a pair of scissors and I'm just going to cut that off. Okay, now I'm going to open up the other side, and we're going to wrap this side the same exact way. We're going to wrap it about 3 to 4 times all the way down and then all the way back. Okay, really easy to do. I actually did this recently on a car trip. I made lots and lots of pom-poms for a project that I'm going to be making. I'm going to be making a tree with pom-poms. So we're just going to fill that, make it nice and full. Same thing, we're going to close it and we're going to snip off this end. Now while we've already got our yarn stretched out, I like to cut off another piece right here that's maybe 6 to 7 inches long. Okay, and then I'm done with the yarn, so I'm going to put that there. Now I've got my pom-pom maker here, and the next thing I want to do is snip. Okay, so you can see we've got these 2 little pieces to the tool. I'm going to put my scissors right in between them, and I'm just going to cut right down the middle. And the tool holds all of these little cut pieces of yarn in place. Then I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to do the same on this side. Making sure I cut all the way through. Okay. Now I'm going to take this piece right here, and I'm going to wrap it between those 2 pieces. Oh, look right here, I missed some. I have to make sure that I cut all the way through, otherwise it's not going to work. Okay, so just cut that through. Now I'm going to pull this piece around it, and I'm just going to tie a knot. Just a simple knot. Pull it tight, pull it as tight as you can, and then do another one. And pull that one as tight as you can. Then with these extra strings, you can either leave these strings long if you want to be able to tie the pom-pom onto something, or if you just want the pom-pom to stand alone, then you can trim those off and then open your pom-pom. Again, grab these little edges. Sometimes they'll be little fuzzies, just pull them to the side and pull the 2 pieces apart. And there is your pom pom. And then if you still have a couple pieces that are a little uneven, you can just trim them to even them up, just like that. And that is all there is to it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'd love for you to follow my YouTube channel so you never miss out on any of my tutorials. And you can also always find me at my home base at thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everybody. Bye and happy crafting!